Hello everyone, today I'm making rice paper with mixed salmon rice and bell pepper vegetables inside. Please come to the kitchen with me, I show you how. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. On this channel I share with you everything I know, so please like, share my video and subscribe. It means a lot to me, thank you. I had 200 grams of salmon fillet. I seasoned it with 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper and garlic powder. Very simple seasoning. And on a skillet, I added 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use fat, I normally do. And I saute minced garlic and white part of green onion until fragrant. And I add the seasoned salmon and stir fry. I don't cook too long here. I just barely cook from the outside. I flip once in a while and that's it. It's took about 3-4 minutes. I don't want to overcook the salmon. So now I have 1 bowl of cooked rice. You can use 2 cups. This is the whole thing, my recipe for 2 people. If you want to make for more people, you can multiply the recipe. So I mix it. You don't need to be very careful, but the rice will need the seasoning from the salmon mixture. Now let's assemble the rolls. I have lettuce and every kind of fresh herbs, mint, fish mint, peppermint, sweet mint, oregano, Thai basil, cilantro, whatever you have, the fresh herbs on hand. Even you can do spinach if you don't want any like Asian herbs like I have. Now I dip the rice paper in the water so that it gets pliable. And then I layer the vegetables and bell pepper. The bell pepper here I slice them so that they look nice from the outside. Just for that purpose, you can use green, yellow, orange, purple, whatever you have. I layer the rice with the salmon and then I fold it and fold 2 sides in and then I roll to the end. And that's it. It's that simple. Alright, that look nice. Can you see? And the rice, the salmon still see through the rice paper. For rice paper, you can use anything from the supermarket or Asian grocery store. They have added some potato starch or tapioca starch, so it's very forgiving for rolling. And that's it. You can do this for 2-3 people, for each one for 2 or 3. Imagine just you go to go to Asian restaurant. 1 roll like this, they will cost you $5. But you do at home, you control everything, and fresh and affordable. Alright, and I dip it in sweet and sour sauce. I put the link in the description box below for the recipe and the sauce. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. I see you next time, and you are invited to taste with me. Thank you. Bye bye.